I'm thinking you might need some more time. Would you like 5 more minutes?
Yes.
Now, there's one thing I want you to think about while you're doing this. Here in the bottom, it's asking which fraction piece didn't work when you were adding things up. When you did 1/3, what was one of the fraction pieces you couldn't use? So if you put 1/10, you couldn't add tenths up to make 1/3? Let me try it out. Oh yeah, because 3/10 is too small, and 4/10 is too much. So for 1/3, you can say I couldn't use the 1/10 piece. So there's one of your possibilities. Find something for each of these if there is one. I want you to try to figure out how that might work.
1/6.
Sorry. So which fraction? 6 and 4 12. And which pieces didn't you use?
Que no se puede.
Oh, you didn't use a whole. Okay, you didn't use a half. All right, now those why couldn't you use those? Excellent.
That's
They're
why
too
he
big,
says
right?
you can.
Those are too large to make
Add
up
up
1/3.
It's these.
Of the ones that are smaller, you can use all of those. You did. There's only 2 here.
Add up to.
Is there more than those? Show me that.
It's 1/3.
For 1/3.
Which fraction isn't able? The 10. Yes.
So 1/5 is too small and 2/5 is too large. Okay. I like it. So that won't work. So that's one of your reasons to put that right there. This is one of the reasons ones you couldn't do. Let's take the are true.
Oh my God, I
have a 1/3 case. All right. And show me if we've done 2 6 and 4 12. Is there another piece that you can use for that? Do you have any kids here? Okay, so I like where you're headed. Try 1/10. That works, and we've got that. 4/12, and that worked excellent. Did the 10th work? Okay, so you can, for this blank down here, so you can put it in here. One that didn't work. Well, at least one, and I want you to think about why that is. Did 10th work? Okay, so go ahead and put that. You can put this. Whichever ones you think. I mean, you can write down both if you like. Oh, or the fraction. They are fractions, right? Okay. So those didn't work. All right, so now 2/5 wouldn't work, but would a different amount of fifths work? 1/5, that made 1/3?
No.
So, which actual fraction piece did not work? The 1/5, right? So 2/5 didn't work, but we're thinking about, it says which piece? And that's just one piece, right? And you've got it perfectly. 1 whole 1/5. Let's get the other ones as well, and I want you to try to figure out an explanation. So, 1/5 and 1/3, you couldn't make it?
I need
Do we have it? Okay, that's 2 pieces. Okay. Oh, I see you're on the back.
Okay.
Let's go inside real quick. That's a reasonable suggestion. I think that's what you say, even and odd. And that was true for a lot of these. 1/5 and 1/4. 1/4 is even and 1/5 is odd. That's true for all those. That's a reasonable conjecture. Do you all agree with that? You saw that? Do you think of anything else that might? No? Okay. I think that's a very reasonable answer.
This kid has a
And you're working on the back. Did you all read the problem together? It looks like you're all on the same page. You're working on it. So Janelle, this piece, what are we doing in this word problem? Well, what's the word problem talking about? The candy bar. And what are we going to do with the candy bar? Why is that? All right. How'd you guys work out 5 pieces each? Okay, and I notice over here, you've actually lined them up. 1, 2, 3. So you have a whole row that goes for each person. And how much is each person getting your rows here? 5 each row. That's a great way to look at it. Smart stuff. Smart stuff. Yeah. Let me check the bottom. That's funny. So then in the next one, something happens to make things more difficult. What happens? What makes it more difficult the next one? There's an extra person to consider. And your suggestion was to make him lead. That's a good suggestion, but I think you can do better. Class, class?
Yes.
Eyes up here. I noticed a couple of groups are completely done with the first side, and I've looked at it and they've talked to me about it, and I've seen some excellent work. I'm ready to ask a couple of questions about this, and hopefully you're also ready. Actually, I'm not as ready as I thought I was. Oh, you're not ready? Okay. Okay. So, in some of the cases, you found that not everything worked. Someone give me a fraction that didn't work for 1/4.
1/5.
1/5 didn't work for 1/4?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. And Denise, did you guys come up with another one that didn't work for, let's say, half?
1/8. Oh, for half? 1/3.
Did you get something that didn't work for 1/2?
1/3.
Thank you, 1/3. And let's see, Hardo, did you find any that didn't work for 2/3? 1/10 wouldn't work for 2/3. And what about, Giovanna, what about 3/4? Did you find something that didn't work for 3/4?
I didn't know.
Oh, you guys haven't gotten to that one yet? Okay.
I have.
What'd you get?
For what?
3/4.
What? 1/2?
1/2? Alright, so you guys are a group. I want you to share that work, show how that works. And I'll check it out real quick. I'm going to do 3/4. Let's see if it's true. If he's right about that. I'm not sure. If I get 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, that's 3/4. Half doesn't get me there. And 2/2. 2/2. I have to borrow a half. I can. Thank you. 2/2. 2/2 are way too much. Yeah, that doesn't work at all. I can't do fourths with halves. All right.